right, so you may have noticed that there's no weights, there's no percentages on your weights and your exercise that you'll be performing for the day. What we are going to be using is something called an RPE scale, which stands for rate of perceived exertion. So it's really based on how you feel for the day, and it allows you to pick the weights that you want to hit for that day based on how tired you are, or how you're feeling, or how well recovered you are from the previous training session. So the scale goes from a 1 to a 10, 10 being its max effort activity, and 1 being very light activity, maybe like a walk, and then a 10 would be max out 1 rep max. So you'll notice I'll write what your exercises are for the day, and at the top I'll put, today I want you at a 5 out of 6, 7 out of 8, and it's really up to you to decide, all right, well today I feel really good, let's push the limit a little bit and smash these weights. But it also allows you to be like, all right, I don't feel that great, let's see where I'm at today, and we're gonna try to hit a 5 out of 6 scale, you know, and also based on what I wrote. So it really is based on how you feel for the day. Now that's why it is important for you to record your weights on your Google Sheets. This allows you to monitor, all right, well last week I felt really good pushing 200 pounds on my bench, and that was at an RPE of 7, right? But this week I still feel just as good, but the RPE is at an 8. So let's say you're gonna go up a little bit in weight, that's okay. You're still pushing an RPE of 7, and you're gonna push maybe 205 now because you feel really good, and it's that same rate of perceived exertion. So that's the benefit of that. But now let's say we didn't recover very well, and you're like, man, it says a 7, but I don't feel as good. And you go, all right, well, I'm gonna throw 190 on the bar, I'm gonna bench 190, and that's fine. If that's your 7 for that day, that's okay, as long as we're tracking our numbers and saying, okay, I went 200, 205, 190 press, and that was still your 7 for that day.